Hello my kiddos. Today we will learn colors name and ABC. So let's start it. Magenta color, light green color, orange color, dark green color, sky blue color, red color, black color, blue color, purple color, brown color and pink color. So let's start it. A for aeroplane, B for ball, C for carrot, D for donkey, E for engine, F for frog, G for goat, H for horse, I for ink pot, J for joker, K for kite, L for lemon. M for monkey, N for nose, O for owl, P for peacock, Q for quilt, R for rabbit. S for sunflower, T for telephone, U for uniform, V for vase, W for watermelon, X for X-ray, Y for york, Z for zebra. Please like, subscribe and share our channel.